Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a skill that can truly transform your relationships, both personally and professionally. It's called active listening. So, let's dive. What is active listening? Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about fully engaging with the speaker, understanding their perspective, and responding thoughtfully. It's a skill that requires focus, empathy, and genuine interest. Imagine a scenario where you're having a conversation with a friend or colleague. You're sharing your thoughts and feelings, but instead of listening, they are distracted, checking their phone, or waiting for their turn to speak. How does that make you feel? Chances are, it leaves you feeling unheard and unvalued. This is why active listening is so crucial. It fosters deeper connections, builds trust, and strengthens relationships. What do studies say? Research has shown that active listening can enhance productivity, boost creativity, and reduce conflicts in the workplace. It can also improve mental well-being, as feeling truly heard and understood can alleviate stress and anxiety. So, how can you become a better active listener? Let's explore some practical strategies that you can start implementing today. 1. Maintain eye contact. Maintaining eye contact shows the speaker that you're fully present and engaged in the conversation. 2. Use verbal and nonverbal cues. Use verbal and nonverbal cues, such as nodding and paraphrasing, to show that you're actively listening and understanding their message. 3. Avoid interrupting. Avoid interrupting. Let the speaker express themselves fully before offering your thoughts or opinions. 4. Practice empathy. Put yourself in the speaker's shoes and try to understand their emotions and perspective. By incorporating these strategies into your daily interactions, you can cultivate stronger connections, resolve conflicts more effectively, and truly make a difference in the lives of others. Remember, the power of active listening lies within each of us. So, let's commit to being active listeners and fostering meaningful relationships. To know more about it, register for our workshop. Thanks for watching.